morning. My name's Lucia Ferrara and I'm from the Precious Blood Renewal Center, and welcome. So today we are outside in this beautiful nature here, and I thought I'd bring my cooking outside this morning. So what we're going to make today is what I call maybe a cranberry apple fresh coleslaw. So which can be eaten on top of spinach. It can be eaten alone. It can be eaten on a bed of lettuce as well. So I am going to go ahead and share with you the ingredients that I use at home. So I usually go to the store and I get 1 bag of coleslaw. So the 1 bag of coleslaw, this will usually make about, if everyone has maybe a half a cup to a cup serving, I don't know, maybe 8 people. But if you're thinking of having a larger group, I would then double the recipe. So we start out with 1 bag of coleslaw. Then I have chopped up about 4 green onions. So I've chopped them up and sliced them. So I'm going to put that in there. The smell of these are great. I've got some growing in my garden, and if you do too, please use your fresh ingredients from your garden. Okay. Then I've got about a half a cup of dried cranberries. Alright, so we're going to put that in there. Okay. So that's the cranberries. Then we've got a half a cup of chopped walnuts, okay? And if you want to chop them up even smaller, that's fine too. I bought these this way. So I'm going to go ahead and put that half a cup in there. And then you want to get a large apple and chop it up, which I haven't done yet, so we're going to do this right now. This is a great salad to bring to a potluck, especially in the summertime when you're doing a lot of barbecues and a lot of outdoor activity. However, if you do plan on being outside in the heat, I would plan on putting it under ice, in a bowl full of ice, and then putting your container inside that bowl of ice so it stays cold, because for the dressing that we're going to use, it does contain sour cream and mayonnaise, so we don't want those ingredients to get hot and go bad while you're enjoying your picnic or outdoor party with family and friends. Okay? So we put that apple in there. Okay, it looks very yummy already. Now for the dressing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate the dressing in here, so I'm not going to make it separate. Okay, so I'm going to take my 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Okay. So we're going to put our 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Then I use 3/4 cup of sour cream. Now if you don't like the taste of the sour cream and you'd rather use 3/4 cup of plain yogurt, then you can. I've used it both ways, and for me it's delicious either way, because I can't really tell the difference myself. Okay, and then we are going to use about 3/4 of a teaspoon of dried ginger, ground ginger. I do love using fresh ginger, but in this case we're going to use ground, dried. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. And then we're going to take 6 tablespoons of honey. And this, I think, is the key to the whole recipe, of course. So we're going to do 6 of these. That's 3. And you know, you don't have to be perfect when measuring. I mean, in this case, okay? In some other cases, when we do different other dishes, of course you're going to have to be precise. But in this, a little bit or a little less, I think we'll be fine. Okay, so that makes about 6 tablespoons of honey. Okay. Now, for the best part here, we're going to toss this all up. And I'm telling you, this is a great salad to take with you, because one, you can prepare it the night before, stick it in your bowl, put it in the fridge the night before, or even a couple of hours before, and let all the ingredients kind of blend in together and kind of marry one another in there. Okay, so here we have it. Our cranberry, apple, walnut coleslaw. Okay. It is really refreshing. So I'm going to stick it in my nice bowl because I am going to have my friend come over to the center, and we're going to just have some of this lovely coleslaw. And so I am going to put this in this pretty bowl here. All right. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay. This is really an alternative take to the regular coleslaw, okay, that you normally make, okay? So we're going to put that there. Kind of make it look nice with our little wooden spoon, and voila. So I'm going to invite you and my friend to come and have some wonderful tea this morning, or for lunch, or mid-morning snack. And I am going to plate this for you on a lovely little plate, so you can come and eat with me. And we are going to take a bite of this together, this wonderful coleslaw. So, that really looks good. I mean, it's got fruit, a little salad, a little bit of veggies. We're good to go. We got honey in here. Very crunchy, very tasty. You guys, this is really good. So I encourage you all to take a minute and make this salad for your next picnic, and have your friends come over, your family, and enjoy it. It is really good. It's a win-win situation. So, but before I let you go, I just wanted to leave you with a Friday morning prayer. And this Friday morning prayer says, "My Lord and my God, I seek to begin this day in union with you and with all of those I love. All around me the world is waking and preparing to begin the work of this day. Soon I must take into my hands the various duties of my life. The sun fills the eastern sky with light, as once again I prepare to make all this day shall contain part of the fabric of my prayer. Before I do, I bow before you and ask your divine assistance. In a holy harmony with all the earth, with all the peoples, and with all those I love, I enter into the prayer of stillness. My Lord, grant me sacred vision to read between the words of the spiritual reflection, and so to find those messages that you have left, especially for me and for you. So I thank you this morning for joining me here at the Precious Blood Renewal Center grounds. We have a celebration coming up that I want to invite you all to my table that day. We are going to have a wonderful picnic that will showcase this particular salad here that we made together today. So please come join me. It is July 1st. It's a summer social celebration for all those in the past year or two or whenever that have joined us either via Zoom or hybrid or whatever, and also have come here at the center to join us. But we just want you to come. We invite you to come on July 1st at 11 o'clock to come have a picnic. So we're going to have food, we're going to have some games, we're going to have great fellowship with one another, we're going to meet and greet, and we're going to enjoy the beautiful grounds that we have here that God has given us in this place, this sacred place that we have here for renewal and reflection and to refresh ourselves. So please come join us again on July 1st. Come meet me, come meet our fellow staff members here at the Renewal Center, and come enjoy this wonderful, wonderful coleslaw. And I know you're going to love it because I already do. So I love you guys. I can't wait to see you all July 1st. Take care. Thank you.